Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I started on the drums for my Rimshot machine.
Barb Makes Things!
I've been doing a lot of research on building drums, and it seems like the most likely method to make the shell is to make it a ply drum. The ply method involves using a mold to build up layers of very thin pieces of wood. Thin enough to bend pretty easily. It's essentially building a plywood cylinder. The stave method seems next likely. It has a bunch of solid pieces cut at angles and glued into a circle, and then turned smooth on a lathe, which I don't have. It seems that to make a drum as small and thin-shelled as I want will be easier to do with the ply method. So for this video, I'm making a mold. Yep, step one is building the tools I need. This project's gonna take some time. I designed the shape for this in Illustrator, and then cut several layers on the CNC machine. I decided to make it one piece, glue all the layers together, and then cut it in half for easy removal from the assembled shell. This is all inspired by a build on Andy's drum building blog. You can find a link in the description. There are a few things I might do differently if I made this again. In this case, I was using scrap wood, trying to use as little as possible, and this is what fit. Next time I might try making all the layers the same shape. It doesn't use significantly less material to do the smaller circles. As long as I'm using this CNC machine, it'd be super easy to add precise holes for a dowel to make aligning the layers easier during the glue up. Hindsight, you know?
Boom!
There were some tabs left over from the CNC process that I cut on the scroll saw. I glued up the layers and left them to set under the weight of some heavy books.
We just finished putting together the bandsaw, and we will be performing the first sacrificial cut.
Now, if this fails miserably and we all die, I'll let you do it, Barb.
Hey, you do it. I'm standing over here.
That's right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Bum, bum, bum. Push, stick.
It also would have been better to glue these pieces in at the same time as the rest, but I decided on them afterwards. A lot of the glue scraped off when I squeezed them in since it's such a tight fit. Once the glue was dry, I did some cleanup on the bandsaw. And the belt sander. After all the hours spent building this shape, it's finally the moment of truth. Yes! Clean up the inside just a little bit. Clean up after yourself. We have shop vacs in the messiest rooms at Crash Space, which makes it easier. Next time, I'll use some plies and build the actual drum shells. I'm gonna try it at least. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.